Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Bitcoin miners are shifting gears towards AI infrastructure, with key players emerging in the race. BTIG advises investors to act swiftly before opportunities vanish. SK Hynix announces a massive $28.6 billion share buyback plan, while Trump is set to nominate Heidi Overton as FDA commissioner. Tensions rise as Iran considers targeting U.S. military sites in Europe if Trump escalates conflict, according to reports. Estée Lauder surpasses financial expectations and updates its financial year 26 outlook, while Samsung hikes chip-making prices by up to 15% amid soaring AI demand. Lowe's reports a non-GAAP EPS of $4.40, beating estimates despite missing revenue targets by $150 million. And Cerebras introduces the CS4 platform for accelerated AI processing capabilities. Stay tuned after this short ad break for an in-depth exploration of these headlines and more insights into their implications. Former Bitcoin miners are transitioning to AI and high-performance computing, leveraging their power assets for sustained revenue from large-scale cloud providers. This shift alters company valuations by emphasizing contracted backlogs and financing structures. Notable companies in this space include Hut 8, IREN Limited, Hive Digital Technologies, DG PowerX, Keel Infrastructure Corporation, and CoreWeave.
U.S. stocks are showing unpredictable behavior, rapidly shifting between factors like semiconductors and high beta momentum. BTIG warns this erratic rotation might soon collapse, possibly leading to a sell-off. The S&P 500 has experienced unusual divergence in price and breadth, indicating instability beneath the surface.
SK Hynix plans to buy back shares worth up to 40 trillion Korean won, or $28.6 billion, by November 19th. This is part of a new initiative to return value to shareholders. The decision comes after record cash flows due to strong demand for artificial intelligence and limited supply of memory chips.
President Donald Trump intends to nominate Heidi Overton, an aide from the White House Domestic Policy Council, as the next commissioner of the Food and Drug Administration. If confirmed, Overton will tackle staffing shortages and trust issues. She recently backed Trump's proposal to change childhood vaccine schedules. Kyle Diamantes is currently serving as acting chief.
Iran may target U.S. military sites in Europe if tensions with President Donald Trump increase, insiders say. Possible targets are U.S. assets in Bulgaria and Cyprus, along with subsea fiber optic cables in the Strait of Hormuz. Recent missile threats show Iran's limited but real capabilities.
Estée Lauder reported fourth-quarter earnings per share of 39 cents, beating expectations by 7 cents. Revenue hit $3.63 billion, a 6.5% increase from the previous year, surpassing forecasts by $80 million. The company confirmed its fiscal 2027 outlook for organic net sales growth between 3% and 5%, while raising its adjusted operating margin forecast to between 12.7% and 13.5%.
Samsung Electronics has raised prices for advanced chip-making services by up to 15% for new orders. The increase impacts the 4nm and 5nm processes, with Chinese customers experiencing the highest rises due to U.S. restrictions. This decision may enhance Samsung's foundry margins amid limited AI-related capacity.
Lowe's reported second-quarter earnings per share of $4.40, surpassing expectations by 18 cents. Revenue reached $25.96 billion, slightly missing forecasts by $150 million. Comparable sales rose 0.2%, boosted by professional and home services and a 15.7% increase in online sales, despite challenges in the do-it-yourself sector.
Cerebras Systems has introduced the Cerebras CS4, touted as the fastest AI accelerator. This rack-scale solution includes 3 new wafer-scale engines 3 turbo, offering double the speed of its predecessor and up to 30 times faster performance than GPU solutions on specific tasks. Initial shipments begin this quarter. Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates to keep you ahead in the business world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.